Lenny?
Thank you. Can you hear me? Yep. All right. Hi, my name is Lenny. I am the co-founder of Localmind. My co-founder and I are actually from San Diego, where we used to do a lot of this kind of thing. But we felt we needed more of a challenge. So we moved to Montreal at the start of winter to start Localmind. And so now this is pretty much our lives. And so we're based in Montreal, but we're probably going to be moving to the Valley in the next few months. See if my clicker works. No. So we've had a pretty exciting couple months of Localmind. We pre-launched at South by Southwest, where we got some pretty amazing traction and some really nice endorsements. Just last night, we actually won the Startup Showcase, which was unexpected and exciting. We had some really nice reviews from all over the place, which is not something we expected, considering we just started working on this at the beginning of the year. But really, it's just the beginning, and we've launched a lot of cool stuff here, Where 2.0, which I'm going to get to at the end of this talk. But before we get to that, what is Localmind? Some people like to describe it as Quora meets Foursquare. I like to describe it as Localmind gives you the ability to ask a question of someone checked in at any location. So instead of describing it further, let me show you a quick demo. You open up Localmind, and you're presented with a map of markers, where each marker represents a person that's checked in at that location right now with Foursquare, Koala, or Facebook. So we're going to send a question to the Santa Clara Convention Center. We click on the marker, we click Send Question, and we can type any question we want. And that question gets sent to someone that's checked in at that location right now. So we're going to ask, has Localmind demo started yet? If this wasn't a demo, someone right now would get this question pushed to their phone or as a text message, and they'd answer it in real time. So we're going to go back to the map, wait for our answer. There we go, we got an answer. Let's check it out. And there it is along the bottom. It's a good answer, so we're going to like it. And that gives us the ability to send a thank you to the person that answered our question. So that's the demo. Pretty amazing, right? Now that's Localmind today, but the vision that we have for Localmind that we always come back to is Localmind gives you the ability to know what's happening anywhere in the world right now, and to connect you to anyone in any place in real time. To basically give you godlike powers of omniscience. Some of the use cases we've seen for Localmind is how crowded is the bar? How long is the line at the restaurant? How fun is the party across the city? We've seen a lot of people using it to find out how many iPad 2s are in stock at Apple stores. We saw a lot of people sending questions to people in Japan after the tsunami to find out how things are going, if there's anything they could do to help, which was something that was surprising. Now, since this is a launch presentation, we're announcing 3 big things here at Where 2.0. The first is we have a big update to our iPhone app, which came out a couple days ago, actually. Includes some of the things that we've heard most from users since we pre-launched at South by Southwest, the ability to share to Twitter and Facebook, and the thing that I'm more excited about is the ability to continue a conversation with someone that answered your question. You can meet the person, you can find out more about them, you can send follow-up questions. And we're seeing a lot of activity on that since it came out a couple days ago. Second, we're launching Localmind for the Android. It's a very early beta release, so if you're an Android user, email us at android@localmind.com and you'll get on the beta list. We're just starting testing on that right now, but we're really happy to have something to show here at Where 2.0. And last but not least, we're opening up our own API. It's the same API that our iPhone app uses, that the web app uses, and that the Android app uses. And it's pretty awesome. And we're really looking forward to people building on top of our platform, and that's something that we're really focusing on. There's actually a few companies already working on top of our API that we're working with. Specifically, mConcierge is actually looking at it to send questions to concierges at hotels from other places before you actually book a room. So if you want to try it out, if you want to play with it, just go to localmind.com/API. And that's a whole lot of stuff, and I'm done just in time. And here's my contact information, so thank you very much.
Congratulations again. Up next, we have Boris from Nearverse.